Welcome. We have a very important message that we want you to listen to very carefully. And that is, don't play another lotto ticket until you discover the 3 biggest mistakes 99% of people make when playing lotto and turn the odds in your favor. If not, you'll be playing for years and wasting hundreds, if not thousands of dollars without picking more than 3 numbers. Mistake number 1, you rely only on luck. This is probably the biggest mistake that anyone can make when playing lotto. Relying on your luck is like looking for a needle in a haystack, and it simply isn't going to happen. There are thousands of people each day who base their game on chance or luck, and mathematically the only thing it delivers is increased odds against them winning the big pot. That being said, there are a few lucky people out there who manage to win the big pot purely by luck. But compared to how many people are playing lotto all around the world, the number is infinitely low. Another thing is that lotto is not a game purely of luck, although it is great to have. The key to being ahead of the 99% of people who play is based on mathematical probabilities. If you are able to increase the odds in your favor, then you really can make a difference to your game. And importantly, your profits. It's absolutely impossible to win the big pot each time you play. But to win consistently and make a good living, actually get rich from it, is now possible if you follow a proven strategy. If you go into our site, you will see how a proven strategy can really make a difference to your game and how you can turn the odds in your favor. Larry Blair, the guy who got a shot in the foot after winning the lottery 3 times in a row, is going to disclose you his secret. Mistake number 2. You need to be skilled in mathematics to win the big prize. This is the second biggest mistake that almost everyone playing lotto is making. For example, if I was to go into any lottery office and go up to someone randomly and say, "Let me teach you a scheme to win the lottery 99 times out of 100, the response I'll get is, "I'm not good with numbers." But the thing is, this simply isn't true. This common mistake about winning lotto needs to be completely erased from your thought process. Sure, mathematics can be difficult and, in fact, overwhelming. But applying it to play a lotto scheme is not. It has been proven hundreds of times in lotto history that ordinary people can win big by using a simple mathematical lotto system that really does turn out to be the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If a lotto strategy, scheme, or method is explained clearly, step by step, everyone can learn it, period. Speaking of lotto strategies, if you want to know more, please visit our website and you'll discover something so simple and effective that it will literally amaze you. Mistake number 3. Buying more tickets puts the odds in your favor. Remember mistake number 1? If you rely only on luck to hit the big pot, your chances of winning are close to 0. If you buy, let's say, 10 tickets each time and rely on luck, then your chances are still close to 0. Not to mention that you'll waste a lot of money in the process of chasing the big win. If you know how to play smart, you don't need to buy multiple tickets. 1 will be enough. Maximum 2 for each game. Playing a lotto system that is proven to bring results will make your life a lot easier. So don't waste your money buying multiple tickets each week, because it quite simply is a waste of time, money, and energy. Instead, learn how to play wisely with 1 ticket and use the rest of the money for buying something nice for yourself or your family. We'll help you play with a system that works with only 1 ticket. The bottom line is that it's not impossible to win the lottery. All you need is to have a proven system and the patience to wait a few weeks to see that that system works for you. It contains the secrets of a mathematics professor from Oklahoma who discovered a lotto pattern after 12 years of intense research. He got a shot in the foot after winning the big pot 3 times in a row. And this is a true story that you can verify on his website. Lately, it seems that lotto authorities from all over the world have combined their forces to try and stop Larry from spreading his lotto strategy all around the world. But the good news is we are here to help him. So do yourself a favor and start winning today by learning the secret of his system. We wish